Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator handle mounting stud. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new handle mounting stud. The handle mounting stud is what you mount the handles on. The main reason you be changing them out is if they're damaged and your handles are falling off. In order to change the handle mounting stud, we have to open up the door that has the damaged stud. Once you have the door open, we have access to the set screws. Depending upon your style, you might have two set screws like this one. We have an upper and a lower set screw, but some of the other versions only have one set screw on them, and they actually use different size screws. The one with the single screws use a 3/32 Allen wrench, but our style uses a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. So we're going to use that Allen wrench to loosen up the set screws. You don't have to take the set screws all the way out, just have to loosen them up enough so you can pull the handle off. Once you have the set screws loose, you can lift the handle off and set it aside, and then we're going to close the door. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the handle mounting stud. Once you have it out, you can pull it off the door. Here's the old handle mounting stud next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the new handle mounting stud. Once you have it screwed in, we can open up the door. Once you have the door open, you can set the handle onto the mounting studs. Once you have the handle on, you can use the 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench to tighten down the set screws. Once you have the handle mounted, close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.